Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, sir?
Fine, sir. Fine. How are you?
Fine. I was busy today. I have a long, tiring day. I have to go to my hometown. I have to
Yes.
some land for my sister. So I have
Yes.
a little bit tired. Okay, let's just.
Yes.
As you know, our today's is 10th session. SDG Nong
Yes.
quality education, and first point is about region. That means our country or our state, population, capital, area, establishment, origin or region, famous for, nearby, location, language, airport, railway hub, and many other things. And second point is about quality education. Now let me present my PowerPoint presentation. I'd like to show you my PowerPoint presentation. Can you hear me clearly, sir?
Yes, sir. Very clear, sir. Please continue.
Thank you. Okay, you can go now. Okay. Sir, our session number 10, international experience India and Bangladesh. And this is me. I think no need to tell about me again. We are very familiar now about our region and about quality education. First, I would like to show you the population of our country. Today, I would like to discuss about my country, Bangladesh, my region, Bangladesh. You know, there is no any state. Our is a country, only one state. This is Bangladesh. We have some divisions. You know,
Yes.
name of our country is Bangladesh. First, I would like to tell you something about population of Bangladesh in 2021. The current population of Bangladesh is, you can see here, 16,000. Okay. 16 crore and 61 lakh 68,376 as on Friday, May 28, 2021. Based on World Meter elaboration of the latest United Nations data.
Yes.
Okay, you can see the population of Bangladesh is a highly densely area. And second slide, I'd like to tell you why Bangladesh is famous for. It is a home to world largest river delta, which is formed by Brahmaputra and Ganges river.
Yes.
Roaming Bengal tigers. This is Royal Bengal tigers in the Sundarbans. It will be Royal Bengal tigers. I have a mistake. Royal Bengal tigers in the Sundarbans. A mangrove and some plant in the delta. For the longest natural uninterrupted sea in Asia, Cox's Bazar, this, which is about 150 kilometers long. Here, here I said you, as you see, I said you about the world river delta, which is formed by the Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is a river, and Ganga. Ganga river is, I know it was created from India, and our area, we call it Padma. And this is Royal Bengal tigers in Sundarbans, a mangrove forest, and the longest sea beach, Cox's Bazar, about 150 kilometers long. Like Goa, like Puri.
Yeah.
In India, the sea beach is Puri. Our Cox's Bazar is as like as Puri.
Yes.
And number 3, Bangladesh is Islamic country. Most of the people are Muslims there. Here also, second position are Hindus, and third position Buddhist, Christian, and another religious people. Bangladesh was founded as a secular state, but Islam was made the state religion in 1980s. When we got independence, when we got independence, it was formed as a secular state.
Yes.
But in 1880s, it was made the state of religion in 1880s. But in 2010, the High Court held up the secular principle of 1972 Constitution. Bangladesh is one of, this is the number as per 2011 census. I have shown you 2020 data. So, capital of Bangladesh, Dhaka.
Yes.
Also spelled Dhaka.
Yes.
Once upon a time we spelled it Dhaka, but now we spell it Dhaka. Dhaka, city and capital of Bangladesh. It is located just north of the Buriganga River, a channel of Dhaleshwari River in the southern part of the country. Dhaka is Bangladesh's most populous city and is one of the largest metropolises in South Asia. This is the largest metropolises in South Asia. Now I would like to show you area of Bangladesh. You can see here the map of Bangladesh. This is central region. You can see here Rangpur. This is northern region. Northern Rangpur, Rajshahi, central region, Mymensingh, Dhaka, and Sylhet. And you can see southern region, Khulna, Barishal, and eastern region. You can see here Chattogram. That means Chittagong.
Yes.
The name of our country is People's Republic of Bangladesh. People's Republic of Bangladesh, and total 1,47,570 square kilometers and 56,908 square miles. Okay, and water is 6.4%. And land area is about 1,30,170 square kilometer, and water area is about 18,290 square kilometer. You can see here our land area and our water area. Okay.
Yes.
This is a small country in the belly of India.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I would like to tell you something about the establishment of Bangladesh. You can see here, this is the map of our country, and I'd like to read with the partition of India in 1947, it became the Pakistani province of East Bengal, later renamed East Pakistan.
Yes.
5 provinces of Pakistan, separated from the other 4 by 1,100 miles, 1,800 kilometers of Indian territory. In 1971, it became the independent country of the Bangladesh, with its capital at Dhaka. With the partition of India in 1947, it became the Pakistani province of East Bengal. Okay, I have written it twice. No, it's capital at Dhaka. Okay. And you can see here the map of Bangladesh with its district. In first picture, I the division.
Yes.
How did Bangladesh separate from Pakistan? When
Yes, sir.
Hitler's war broke out between East Pakistan and West Pakistan in December 1971, the joint force of Indian Army and Mukti Bahini, later known
Yes.
as Armed Force, defeated Pakistani forces in East Pakistan and the independent state of Bangladesh was created. You know, your Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji was our freedom fighters. He participated in our liberation war. A few days ago, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, your Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji visited our country, and he gave speeches that he was the freedom fighter of Bangladesh independence war. We feel proud of him. We feel proud of him.
Yes.
Okay.
Picture, sir. In this picture,
This is
in Bangla language. Before last picture, last.
okay. This is the this is our Victory Day pictures. This is the national.
Yes.
This is Victory Day, 16 December in Bangla. 16 December. We call it, yes, Vijay Divas, Victory Day.
Yes.
Then you can see here our national memorial. When did Bangladesh become independent country? The capital of Pakistan was Karachi in West Pakistan and was moved to Islamabad in 1958. However, due to discrimination in economy and ruling powers against them, the East Pakistanis vigorously protested and declared independence on March 26, 1971 under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. 7 March, he gave a speech. Now it is compared with Gettysburg speech, and UNESCO recognized the speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Okay. The capital of Pakistan was in East Pakistan and was moved. Okay, I have told it again. I made it again. And as a consequence, East Pakistan seceded and the independent state of Bangladesh or Bengali nation was proclaimed on March 26, 1971. Civil war broke out, and with the help of Indian troops, in the last few weeks of the war, East Pakistan defeated West Pakistan on December 16, 1971. The 13-day military conflict is one of the shortest wars in the history. It ended with a decisive win for India and led to the creation of Bangladesh. India on Wednesday is observing the 15th anniversary of the 1971 war with Pakistan, also known as the Bangladesh Liberation War.
Yes.
You can see here the scenery of Vijay Divas. When the Pakistani armies surrendered. Okay. Now I'd like to show you who gave the name Bangladesh. It was in the introduction of political life of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, 1955 to 75, part of the book Karagarer Rose Namcha, that Bangabandhu made the declaration naming the country as Bangladesh in 1969. Our father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, named Bangladesh before the independence, before our freedom liberation war. In 1969, he named our country Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Now I would like to tell you about my division. That means my region. I am from Chattogram division. This is Chittagong. Already it was Chittagong. Why Chittagong is called Chattogram? In
Yes.
18th Cabinet Division of Bangladesh government have decided to change the city name a version of its Bengali spelling, drawing in some
Yes.
concerns. After that, the name was changed to Chattogram based on Bengali pronunciation. Before it was
Yes.
Chittagong. Now we called it Chattogram. Chittagong is an ancient seaport due to its natural harbor. It was
Yes, sir.
cited as one of the largest eastern ports by the Roman geographer Ptolemy. Roman geographer Ptolemy in the 1st century. During the 16th century, Portuguese historian João de Barros described Chittagong as the most famous and wealthy city in the Kingdom of Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Chittagong is the largest district in Bangladesh, a city with a population of more than, you can see here, you can see here 5 lakh in defined by the Bureau as a mega city. Together, Dhaka and the fourth city of Chittagong account for 48% of the country's urban population. An urban center with a population of less than 1 lakh is defined as a town. In total, there are 490 such towns in Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Now I'd like to tell you famous things in Bangladesh. The Bengal Delta, located on the coastline of Bangladesh, is the largest river delta in the world, with some of the world's most fertile soil. The delta is home to approximately 130 million people. A large majority in the population who depend on agriculture for survival.
Yes.
Best place to visit in Bangladesh. The best place to visit in Bangladesh, Sundarbans mangrove forest. Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest on earth and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 2, Chittagong Hill Tracts. Chittagong Hill Tracts area is a naturally beautiful place full of beautiful hills. Srimangal, this is from Sylhet. Rangamati, Paharpur, Saint Martin, St. Martin's Island. This is so beautiful island. Mangrove forest, Sylhet, Cox's Bazar, and Sonargaon. These are the beautiful place of our country.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice.
Language of Bangladesh. Bengali, Bangla, is the national language of Bangladesh. Belongs to the Indo-Aryan group of languages, and it's related to Sanskrit. You know, Bangla come from Sanskrit.
Sir, shall I read? Shall I try to read? I think the alphabet of Bengali language.
Yes.
I am trying to read Bengali alphabets. You have shown the screen.
Yes.
K, K, G, K, Ch, Ch. Yes, sir. Yes. It is also same in Marathi. Only font, some changes are there.
Yes. I think, friend, I think we should learn some Hindi and Bengali. Just
Yes, yes.
if I ask you, how are you? In Bangla, we call it Tumi kemon acho. Say.
In Marathi. Yes, sir. In Marathi, तुम्ही कसे आहात? In Hindi, आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो? In Bangla, Tumi kemon acho. In
English, how are you?
In English में
In Hindi, आप कैसे
हो? English में बोलते हैं reply, I'm fine. In Bangla we say it, আমি ভালো আছি. In Bangla,
in Marathi, आम्ही चांगले आहोत. In Hindi, हम अच्छे हैं.
हम अच्छे हैं.
Yes.
Yes, nice. Nice. Let me go to the second slide.
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh has 5 domestic airports, 3 international airports which are also used for domestic flights, and 5 STOL, that means short takeoff and landing ports, with 1 new domestic airport under construction. Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport, Dhaka. This is the largest and the principal international airport of the country. And Shah
Yes,
Amanat International Airport, Chattogram. This airport is situated in fourth city of Chattogram. And
yes,
Osmani International Airport, Sylhet. You know,
yes,
our during the Liberation War, the that means the ship of our army was Ataul Goni Osmani. The airport was named after his name.
yes,
And Bangladesh Railway. Bangladesh Railway, Bengali, is the state-owned rail transport agency of Bangladesh. It's
yes,
from Wikipedia. It operates and maintains all railways in the country and is overseen by the Directorate General of Bangladesh Railway. The Bangladesh Railway is governed by the Ministry of Railways and the Bangladesh Railway Authority. Its reporting mark is BR. Its reporting mark is BR, Bangladesh Railway. The Bangladesh Railway system has a total length of 3,600 kilometers and 2,200 miles in 2009. Bangladesh Railway had 34,168 employees in 2014. Bangladesh Railway carried 65 million passengers and 2.52 million tons of freight. The railway made 8,135 million passengers kilometers and 677 million tons kilometers.
yes,
And there are currently we have 8 divisions of Bangladesh. Each is named after the major city with its which is jurisdiction that also serves as the administrative seat of the division. Each division is further split into several districts, which are then further subdivided into upazilas.
yes,
According to Banglapedia, 77 rivers flow in Bangladesh. Now I would like to show you the rivers of Bangladesh, but the information is old and obsolete. There is an including tributaries flow through the country, constituting a waterway of total length around 24,104 kilometers and 15,000.
yes,
Now I'd like to say you some name of our rivers. Here,
yes,
see Surma Magna, and district covered by river Sylhet, Kumilla, and Barishal. And this is the link. Here Korotwa, Atrai, and this is Gorgumari and Harshaga. This is Dinajpur, Rajshahi, and Pabna. In East Bengal also Dinajpur. This is Donai and Charalkata. This is Jomaneshwari and Korotwa, and Rangpur,
yes,
and Pabna. Padma, that means Ganga. Rajshahi, Pabna, Dhaka, and Faridpur. This is Gorai, Madhumati. This is Baleshwar. And the district covered Kustia, Faridpur, Jeshore, Khulna, and Barishal. All Brahmaputra from Mymensingh. And Brahmaputra, Jammu. This is Rangpur, and Pabna. And Dakatia.
yes,
Dakatia is from Kumilla and Noakhali. You know Dakatia river flow beside my area. And Karnapuli Kondopoli is in Chittagong, Hilltex and Chittagong.
Yes, yes.
You can see here the name of our
Yes.
Thomas River. Besides this, there are so many branches of river in our country.
Yes.
And biggest hill in Bangladesh, Tajing Dong, official highest peak of Bangladesh. This is Tajing Dong. Kew Karadang is the peak located in Bandarban, Bangladesh, with an elevation of 986 meters. That means 3,235 feet. Some source claims the highest point of Bangladesh, Kew Karadang. And Tajing Dong is the biggest peak of Bangladesh. And list of Bangladesh, this is Saka, Hapong, Jot Lang, and Dumalong, Kew Karadang, Maithijama Hapong, and Ting Daulat Talang, and Mukhara, Tathai Hapong, and Kopital, Krekong, Shipi Arsang, and Tang Fari, Timuk, or Tin Matha Filar Fig, Tajing Dong, and Ayang Talang. These are the hill name of our country. These are located in Chattogram Hill State.
Yes.
The hilly area of our country. India also has so many nice hills.
Yes, yes.
This is the end of my first point. Now I would like to request you to share your screen.
Very nice information you have collected, sir. First, I would like to say congratulations for getting all this information.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. It's clear to me.
Yes.
Sure.
This is the map of India, and these are the 4 specialty. Indian national animal tiger, Indian national Indian bird, and 7 of Tajman. Different states of India. These are the names you can see on the screen. Delhi, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Haryana, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim, Punjab, Kerala, Gujarat, Nagaland, Orissa, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Now, Indian history. The history of India begins with evidence of human activity of Homo sapiens long as 75,000 years ago. Homo erectus from about 5 lakh years ago.
Yes.
The Indus Valley civilization spread and flourished in the northeastern part of India, subcontinent from 3,300 to 1300 BCE was the first major civilization in India. A sophisticated and technologically urban culture developed in the mature Harappan period from 600 to 1900 BCE.
Yes.
Now, these are the Indian food. The earliest Indian eat this kind of food. We have already discussed about Indian culture.
Yes, yes.
Now, I have made the second PPT of these are for topics about
Yes, sir.
my region. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, it's clear to me.
This is myself. This is the photograph and map of Maharashtra.
Yes,
The picture of Gateway of India. This is the Hotel Taj near Gateway of India.
yes,
Now, this is the map of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is situated in western region of country. The state share its border within Gujarat, Madhya
Gujarat.
Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, and the Union Territory of Dadar and Nagar. On its west, the Arabian Sea.
Yes,
Then the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai.
Mumbai. Yes,
We can see the geographical area. Then administrative districts, 35 districts are covered in Maharashtra state. Then
yes,
population density, persons per square meter, 162. Total population in million,
yes,
112. Male population million, 58.3. Male population 54.0 in million. Sex ratio female per 1000 male 925. Literacy rate 82.9%.
yes,
Then second slide is about GDP, GSDP as percentage all of states. Then you can see the national highway length of Maharashtra. This is 4,191, and it is covered all states. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways annual report 2011.
11, 12. Yes,
Then the airports. There are 8 airports in Maharashtra.
yes,
Then the major and minor ports 2 plus 53. Then next slide is advantage Maharashtra, the trade
Yes.
and commerce hub of India. Then the second point, policy and physical incentives, abundant labor pool,
yes,
facilitated infrastructure, high infrastructural growth.
yes,
Then the next PPT is about economic snapshot.
yes,
Now I would like to explain about the crop of Maharashtra: sugarcane, cotton, onion, soybean, banana, jawar, rice, wheat, bajra. These are the main crops of Maharashtra.
Bajra. I don't know what is Bajra.
Bajra is a type of grain like wheat. You know wheat?
Like,
Can I show you in my hand? I have taken some bajra and you will see.
Okay, okay.
Yes, after finishing my PPT, I will show you
Okay, okay,
on
okay,
the
no
screen.
problem. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Then the physical infrastructure roads.
Yes.
National highways are 4,191, state highways 34,103, major district roads 49,936, other district roads 46,897, village roads 1,06,400.
Yes.
Then the railways, metro or monorail projects, Mumbai Metro Rail Project, Mumbai Monorail projects.
Yes.
Then these are the map showing the airport.
Yes, yes.
Green line shows the international airport and red line shows the domestic airport.
Domestic airports. Yes, yes, yes.
There are 3 international and 5 domestic airports in Maharashtra. The international airport in Mumbai, Lower Airport in Pune, and Ambedkar International Airport in Nagpur. Maharashtra Airport Development Company Limited is developing airports in Maharashtra, including Solapur, Shirdi, Gadchiroli, Chandrapur, Amravati, Jalgaon, and new international airport at Rajgurnagar, Navin Chakan district, Pune. Mumbai
Yes.
Airport is one of the busiest airport in India. In order to reduce competition in India International Airport, an additional airport has been proposed at Navi Mumbai.
Yes.
In the ports, minor ports in India, in Maharashtra, these are the names of ports.
Yes.
Then the next PPT is about power. Then the next PPT is about telecom sector.
Yes, yes.
These are the names of telecom companies: Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, BSNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, MTNL, Bharti Airtel, Idea Cellular, Vodafone, Hisar, Reliance Communications, Tata Teleservices, Aircel
Limited. Yes.
Limited.
Yes, yes, yes.
Urban infrastructure. These are the development projects. Now the educational infrastructures. Primary schools are in Maharashtra 76,625. Secondary and higher secondary 21,600.
Yes.
Graduate and postgraduate 901.
Industrial Training Institution.
Industrial Training Institute means ITI colleges 61. Art, Science, Commerce and Law colleges 21,387.
Yes.
And the university 41.
Wow.
Literacy rate in Maharashtra overall 82.9%, male 89.8%, female 75.5%.
Great.
Now the next PPT is about health.
Yes.
State level hospitals, there are 498, district hospitals 23, sub-district hospital 83, community health centers 458, rural hospitals 386, primary health centers 1,809, sub-centers 10,580. These are the facilities.
Yes, yes. Cultural insurance.
Yes, yes. There are many PPTs, but I would like to show only few because of time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now I would like to give information about Girna River. It is near my village. The Girna River is a river in the state of Maharashtra in western India. It gets its name from the goddesses Girna, Girja, also known as Parvati. Girna originates at Kem Peak in the Western Ghats mountain range and flows east across Nashik district, where it is joined by the Mausam River and into Malegaon. It
Yes.
then swings north to join the Tapi River. The biggest dam on it are
Chankapur Dam.
Kapur Dam, built by the British near Ahuna in the Kalwan Tehsil, where the Sarpaganga River joins the Girna, and Girna Dam, built in 1969. The river basis lies on the Deccan Plateau, and its valley has fertile soil that is intensively farmed. This is the picture of Girna River and Girna Dam.
Yes.
In this way, I have finished my first topic of today's session. Now you can continue for second, and then I will
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Let's start my second part of the my presentation.
Before that,
Yeah.
sir, 1 minute before that, I would like to show you Bajra.
Okay. You can show me Baza.
I can take photograph, and you will see on WhatsApp clearly.
Yes.
Because in this,
Okay. Send me a picture. Okay. Now, okay. You
we
just
make
send me a
yes,
picture.
we make a bhakar. Yes. I will send you a picture, clear picture video,
Yes. Thank you.
and make a video of how it
Okay. Nice.
takes in. Yes.
Okay. Here, our second point is about quality education. We have more than 3 sessions about quality education. Our today's ensuring inclusive and equitable quality of education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. What is approach in teaching? An approach is a way of looking at teaching and learning. An approach gives rise to methods, a way of teaching something, which use classroom activities or techniques to help learners learn. This is called approach. This is written by me. There may be some mistake, you know. Okay. And skill needed for teaching. Some points mentioned here. Enjoy communicating. Understand to others. Have confidence. This is the up to me. Have great organizational skills. Work actively in groups. Be able to deal with conflict. Motivate your students to do their best. Empathize with your students. Give feedback. I think these skills needed for teaching.
Yes.
And what are the learning methods? These different learning styles: visual, auditory, reading, writing, and this is kinesthetic, are identified after thousands of hours of classrooms observation. The modern teaching method, curriculum, teaching and planning are done, keeping the learner as the primary target. Through this way, learners actively participated in the whole process to build their knowledge and sharpen their skills. This is also termed as a constructive approach. We call it Gotantantrik. That means Platonic, formative. That
Yes, yes.
we will learn by learning by doing. We called it learning by doing.
Yes.
Do and learn. Then how can improve our teaching? These are steps to improve teaching. An approach is a way to looking at teaching and learning. An approach gives rise to method. This is written again. Here's a tools how to improve
Yes.
teaching. This is very teeny. Okay, let's go to the second slide. What is the modern method of teaching? In the modern teaching method, curriculum teaching and planning are done keeping in the learner as the primary thing. This is also written in the first slide. How can
Yes, yes.
we teaching and learning in the classroom? I have written here 3 points. Encourage active and practical learning. Make connection to real world applications of the course material. Provide for meaningful teacher-students interactions. Learn students' names and demonstrate that you care about their lives. And number 3, make course exceptions clear and based on learning outcomes. I think this
Yes.
is very important to improve our teaching skill. And teacher-centered method of instruction. This is teacher-centered method. Direct instruction, flipped classrooms, kinesthetic learning, demonstration method, problem-solving method, differentiated instruction, inquiry-based learning, expeditionary learning, personalized learning, game-based learning. This is teacher-based method. You can see here method: interest, related documentation, coaching or self-study, books and tutorials, searching internet, learning pedagogy. Demonstration method of teaching. Now I'd like to discuss about 2 methods. Introduction. This is most important method of teaching in teaching. It teaches by explanation and exhibition. You can see here. You can see here multiple intelligence.
Yes.
See here. You can see here interpersonal, and these are the tools.
Yes, yes.
And purpose of demonstration method: to demonstrate experiments or procedures, to introduce a new procedure, to teach the patient a procedure or treatment, to demonstrate a procedure at the beside or it ward conference room.
Yes.
Demonstration performance or method or phase. Demonstration performance: explanation phase, demonstration phase, student performance and instructor supervision phase, and evaluation phase. You can see here characteristic of demonstration method. Characteristic of demonstration method: understandable and exemplary. Time for reflective and critical thought. Pre-preparation. Equipment should be assembled and pre-tested. Advanced knowledge, positive approach. Explain the uses of materials used. Setting should be true to life. Opportunity to practice. This is the characteristic of demonstration method.
Yes.
Advantages of demonstration method. Advantages of demonstration methods are given below. Teacher is present, ideas and concept step by step, quality of observation, practical, intellectual and communication skills, present reality, stimulate interest, attention catching, direct experience, limits, damage and several sense. These are the Advantages of demonstration method. Disadvantage, there are some disadvantages also. Demonstration method. Number of student is limited, keeps the student
Yes.
in facing situation, offers little possibility of checking the learning process, may
Yes.
limit audience client input, require free preparation, doesn't allow for individual facing of learning, high cost in personal and time, difficulty in repeating demonstration in order to acquire confidence. These are the disadvantages of demonstration method. Tips to be followed while demonstrating. There are some tips.
Demonstration method.
Yes, know your audience. We have to know our audience. Set your
Yes. Yes.
we should set our objectives. Plan
Yes.
preparation time. We should plan our preparation time. Be prepared for various room arrangement. Help your
Yes.
audience or client to see what you are doing. Provide
Yes.
handouts to support what you say. In real class session, we supplies handout. Be organized and follow safety precautions. There are another method is called problem solving method. I described you demonstrative method. Now I'd like to describe about problem solving method. Problem solving methods follow up steps in process. Understand the
Yes.
problem. First, would like to see, then then decide a plan. I have a mistake here. Decide a plan. Carry out the plan and look back. That means check. At first, we have to understand the problem, then see,
Yes.
and decide, then make a plan, then work according to the plan, then collect the result, feedback. This is problem solving method. Understand the problem. Look here, many students are overwhelmed just by reading a problem. At this point, group discussion is beneficial. Question that
Yes.
you lead students to an understanding of the problem. What are you asked to find or show? What type of answer do you accept? What units will be used in the answer? Can you give an estimate? What information is given? If there are enough or too little information given, can you restate the problem in your own words? These are the things we have to give to our students. To I think we should give them a problem to solve.
Yes.
Yes. Many students. Okay, I think this slide is twice. Then number 2, plan. The plan is usually called a strategy. Problem solving strategy included act it out, make a drawing or diagram, look for a pattern, construct a tabled entity, all possibilities, gauge and check, work backward, write an often sentence, solve is simpler or similar problem, change your point of view, logical reasoning. This is plan. Problem solving method carry out the plan. The original strategy may need to be modified. The student need to understand that not every problem will be solved in the first attempt. Cooperative learning teams can be very beneficial at this point. Okay, every problem will not be solved in first attempt. Then look back. This is a simply checking all steps and calculations. A student should be reminded that they should not assume the problem is a complete once a solution has been found. Instead, a student should examine the problem to ensure that the solution makes sense.
Yes.
Please look back. And this is the end of my slide. Thank you. Now you can show me if you have another parts.
Yes, sir. Very nice presentation, sir. First, I would say congratulations to you. we have discussed here
Yes,
about
yes.
quality education, teaching learning methods. The
Yes,
second
yes.
part of today's session, you have already discussed demonstration method.
Yes,
I would
yes.
like to share advantages of that method. Teacher is the present, ideas and concepts, step by step, quality of observation, practical intellectual and communication skill, present reality, stimulate interest, attention catching, direct experience, limits, damage several senses. These are the advantages of that method.
Yes, yes.
Demonstration method. In demonstration method, the teacher or an assigned student or groups shows how a process is done while the students become observers.
Yes.
Purpose of the demonstration method to
Yes.
demonstrate experiments or procedures, to introduce a new procedure, to teach the patient a procedure or treatment, to
Yes.
demonstrate a procedure at the beside or in the
Yes, yes.
ward conference room.
Yes.
Demonstration
Yes, yes,
of
yes.
doctor. The next method is game-based method. We can see the
Yes.
picture. The students are playing with the game and learning by their own.
Yes, yes. Very nice.
Next, problem solving is an instructional method of or technique where by the teacher and pupils attempt in conscious, planned and purposeful effort to arrive of some explanation or solutions to some educationally significant difficulties for the purpose of finding a solution.
Yes, yes.
Picture, yes. The 10 problem solving strategies are guess and check,
Check. Yes.
make a table or chart, draw
Yes.
a picture or diagram, act
Yes.
out the problem,
Yes.
find a pattern or use a rule, check for relevant or irrelevant information, find
Yes.
smaller parts of a large problem, make
Yes.
an organized list, solve a simpler problem,
Yes.
work backwards.
Yes, yes.
Now you can see here traditional learning and
Problem-based
problem-based
learning.
learning.
Yes, yes, yes.
What we need to know, memorize it,
It.
problem assign to illustrate how to use it. In problem-based learning, problem assign, identify
Yes,
what we need to know,
yes.
learn
Yes,
and apply to the problem.
yes. Yes, yes.
Problem solving, we can see that identify, define, explore, action,
Action.
look back.
Look back. Yes. Yes.
In problem solving method is a teaching strategy that employ the scientific method in a searching for information, is a technique that requires the learner to work actively on the solution of the difficulty.
Yes.
Definition of problem solving method. The National Council of Teachers of Mathematics NCTM 2000, problem solving is a engaging in a task for which the solution method is not known in advance.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to share my PPTs.
Okay. I think I am very tired, so I can't continue the session today. Tomorrow we start at 7:30 Indian time. 7:30. Is it possible?
Yes, sir. Is it possible?
7:30.
8 o'clock. Sir, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means in our country 8:30. So I have to continue 9:30. Then I have to go to school. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
8 o'clock.
Okay. Indian time 8 o'clock. Okay. Okay.
If you have any, then we will continue at 7:30.
Okay. 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 Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye bolo. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Joro bolo.
Goodbye.
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 Goodbye.